Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, right click on the start icon and go to device manager. Then we need to expand the network adapters. Right click on the particular adapter and select properties. Go to Java staff, click on update driver and select the first option, search automatically for drivers. Once done, just close the window. If this not work, don't worry, the next methods will solve all problems. So type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select S. Once we are here, we need to type some commands and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Once done, type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space slash renew and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. Once done, type in netshint ip reset and hit enter. Once done, simply type exit. Now open control panel, then go to network and internet, select network and sharing center, click on your internet connection, go to its properties, select internet protocol version 4, that is IPv4, open its properties, and we need to select this option, obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click on OK and check out the problem is solved or not. Now simply restart your system and your problem will be solved easily. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.